India Today has the details of the charge sheet that have been filed in the Salman Khan case. This, remember, is with regard to the firing that happened close to the residence. We are told that the charge sheet that has been filed against 6 arrested accused and 3 wanted accused, including the gang leader Lawrence Bishnoi, who's already in prison. The charge sheet includes various investigation documents incorporated in 3 volumes. Evidence includes statements from 46 witnesses. Lawrence Bishnoi has been mentioned. This was, remember, the firing that had taken place right outside Salman Khan's residence, and it was a grave concern because not the first time, and there have been threats against Salman Khan for the past few years, specifically since 1999 in the Black Buck case. But who are these individuals and why are they trying to target the superstar, or in fact just intimidate also to show that he's being tracked? Vidya is joining me for the latest on that. Vidya, elaborate further the details about this charge sheet, because this was, after all, one of the known popular faces, a superstar, and the issue couldn't have been taken lightly.
Well, the Mumbai police was very clear when it tried to investigate this entire case. They said that there was a clear motive. And the motive was that Bishnoi really wanted to spread his extortion racket across and also create a terror of threat. You know, that they wanted the people to fear his calls. And that's one of the reasons why this entire game of actually attacking Salman Khan in particular was because he's the most famous star around. So, you know, obviously whatever happens to him would make news. And that's one of the reasons why this extortion call, and there was an extortion call as well, and the fact that the Bishnois had targeted Salman was very clear, is what the charge sheet specifically says. Also, apart from this, they have gotten through the entire investigation by stating that, remember, the key component here is the person called Anmol, who had posted that entire social media post which had been done from Portugal. So, entire investigation revolves around who did it, why, how was it done, and of course about what was the real motive behind this entire act that had happened, though there was a security beef up that had been given to Salman Khan, and certainly he is safe and sound, but then the reasons behind this entire attack, the firing, all that's been really put forth in the charge sheet that has been filed before the court.
Vidya, keep tracking the latest on that, and let's hope that there will be some conclusion to this case.